5 old school reggae songs that kind of hit you a different way when you hear them, especially when you're away from home. I can't help but either dance to or sing along to every time I hear it. I know my slang thing, me, I know my slang thing. Boy, that song with Wayne Smith from the 80s. I think they said the rhythm was a sample that was created by someone who was Japanese. I don't know the full details, but it was sampled from some kind of David Bowie song. You hear that do 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 do. You really want to move and sing along to that song. So that's one. Zunga zung zunga zunga zang. Yellow Man, the early king of dancehall, right? Every other car that went by, you'd hear that song. But there's just something about that song when you hear it. It's just everybody know. Even if you don't know anything else, you at least know the Zunga Zeng part. Barrington Levy. Murderer. Boy, may I tell you, when you hear that, you know that. I mean, music like that lives on, especially if you know you have some connection to it from your earlier days growing up in Jamaica. Or you remember I don't remember the first time I heard it, but if you hear that, even if there's a lull in music at a dance session or at a house party and that come on, my God, the whole place just come back to life. So I love that song. So number 4, sorry, the Crown Prince of Reggae. Love and hate would never, I can't sing a song, but you know me I sing, right? Dennis Brown, Love and Hate, man. I remember being at Sumfest in a day when sun hot, I don't know what time it is, and D Brown come on and just say love and hate. Everybody would up on the ground asleep, get up the minute D Brown's on the stage. You are awake and ready to rock. So that is my memory of that song, and it's forever one of those songs that you have to sing along to. Final one, I mean there are many, but these are 5. My final one is Sister Nancy. Can't leave out Sister Nancy. What a bam bam. Boy, may I tell you, that song, that rhythm, an iconic DJ, boy, may I tell you, Sister Nancy, on that style of rhythm. You tell me which place you go, I hear bam bam, I hear DJ say pull up or whatever they must say these days. That song was like from her, was it her only album she ever did in the 80s? You know, that's the beauty of your music and your culture. Your ears are almost tuned to hear it, just like how you're tuned to hear your Jamaican accent if you're outside of your environment. Living abroad and you hear these songs, somehow kind of create this nostalgic home cultural pride. It's more than songs, you know, they're like home. They kind of center you back to where you're from. What songs you hear wherever you are, whether you're in Jamaica, yes or no, because the songs that you'll keep going back to because they really kind of get you going one way or the other. Drop it in the comments.